Solve d square plus a square of y is equal to tan ax. Solution. The given equation is d square plus a square of y is equal to tan ax. Compare with f of d, y is equal to r of x. Here f of d value is d square plus a square. Next, r of x value is tan ax. Auxiliary equation is f of m is equal to 0. Here f of d is equal to d square plus a square. In this we have to substitute d place in m. We get m square plus a square is equal to 0. Next, m square is equal to plus a square. Transfer to this side, we get minus a square. Next, square root on both sides, we get m is equal to plus or minus ia. It can be written as 0 plus or minus ia. Since if roots are complex, that is a plus or minus ib, then complementary function yc is equal to e power ax of c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx. Here 0 plus or minus ia, a plus or minus ib. Compare these two, we get a value is 0, b value is a. A and b values are substitute complementary function yc is equal to e power ax of c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx. We get yc is equal to e power 0x of c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax. Yc is equal to, here e power 0x value is 1. So c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax. Since by method of variation of parameters, compare with yc is equal to c1 u of x plus c2 v of x. Here u of x value is cos ax, v of x value is sin ax. Next, differentiation, both sides we get u dash of x is equal to cos, differentiation is minus sin. So minus sin ax, here x place in ax, so minus sin ax. Here again differentiation ax, we get a into minus sin ax, we get minus a sin ax. This is u dash of x value. Next, v of x is equal to sin ax, differentiation both sides we get v dash of x is equal to sin x, differentiation is cos x, so cos ax, again differentiation ax, we get a. Next, a into cos ax, we get a cos ax. This is v dash of x value. Next, now we have to find u v dash minus v u dash value. So here u value is cos ax, v dash value is a cos ax, minus v value is sin ax. Next, u dash value is minus a of sin ax. Next, here a cos ax into cos ax, we get a cos square ax plus, here minus into minus, we get plus a into sin ax into sin ax, we get a sin square ax. దీంట్లో నుంచెల్లి ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ నుంచెల్లి నేను a ని కామన్ తీశాను. సో a of cos square ax plus sin square ax. A of this value is 1. So a into 1 is equal to a. This is the u v dash minus v u dash value. Now particular integral yp is equal to a u of x plus b v of x. This is equation 1. In this a value is a is equal to minus integral v r by u v dash minus v u dash dx. B formula is v is equal to integral u r by u v dash minus v u dash dx. In this, here a is equal to minus integral, here v value is sin ax, r value is tan ax. This is given in this question by u v dash minus v u dash value is a dx. Next, a is constant, so minus 1 by a integral sin ax. Here tan ax ni sin ax by cos ax గా రాసుకున్నాను. నెక్స్ట్ dx. నెక్స్ట్ sin ax we get sin square ax by cos ax dx. Next minus 1 by a integral, here sin square ax ni 1 minus cos square ax గా రాసుకున్నాను by cos ax dx. Next minus 1 by a integral 1 by cos ax dx minus cos square ax by cos ax dx. Here separate చేశాను. separate చేస్తే మనకి ఈ విధంగా వచ్చింది. నెక్స్ట్ minus 1 by a integral 1 by cos ax sec ax dx minus integral, here square ki cos ax cancel, we get cos ax dx. Next minus 1 by a integral sec ax, integration is 1 by a log of sec ax plus tan ax minus next integral cos ax integration is 1 by a sin ax. Next here minus 1 by a into 1 by a, 1 by a ni multiply చేస్తున్నాను. So we get minus 1 by a square log of sec ax plus tan ax. Here minus into minus plus 1 by a into 1 by a, 1 by a square sin ax. Next this is a value. Next b is equal to integral u r by u dash minus u v dash minus v u dash dx. B is equal to integral u value is cos ax, r value is tan ax by u v dash minus v u dash value is a dx. Next a is constant, so 1 by a integral cos ax, next tan ax ni sin ax by cos ax గా రాసుకున్నాను dx. Next cos ax cancel, we get 1 by a sin ax dx. Next 1 by a sin ax integration is minus 1 by a cos ax. Next 1 by a into 1 by a minus 1 by 1 by a into minus 1 by a minus 1 by a square cos ax. This is b value. Next substitute a comma b and u of x comma v of x values in equation 1. Equation 1 is here. This is the equation 1. Yp is equal to a u of x plus b v of x. In this we have to substitute a value, b value and u of x, v of x values. We get yp is equal to minus 1 by a square log of sec ax plus tan ax plus 1 by a square sin ax into cos ax plus this is the a value, this is cos ax is the u value. Next plus next here b value is minus 1 by a square cos ax, this is v value sin ax. Next వీటిని మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. yp is equal to minus 1 by a square cos ax into log of sec ax plus tan ax. We get cos ax log of sec ax plus tan ax. Next here plus, so plus 1 by a square sin ax into cos ax. We get 1 by a square sin ax cos ax. Next, plus into minus, we get minus. Next, 1 by a square cos ax into sin ax, we get sin ax cos ax. Next, here minus 1 by a square sin ax cos ax plus 1 by a square sin ax cos ax get cancelled. We get yp is equal to minus 1 by a square cos ax log of sec ax plus tan ax. Therefore, the general solution of given equation is y is equal to yc plus yp. In this, we have to substitute yc value and yp value. We get y is equal to c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax minus 1 by a square cos ax log of sec ax plus tan ax.